What up, everybody? And we're back once again with another dessert. I know, taking forever. This time we're coming in with strawberry crunch waffle cones. These things are fucking nuts. You're gonna want to start by melting a whole stick of butter and crushing up about 16 to 18 golden Oreos. You can do it with the cream or without the cream, like the filling inside the Oreos. Either way is fine. But you want to take your anger and frustration out on that bag. You know, you can see me right here pounding the shit out of these fucking Oreos. And we're gonna take that melted butter, we're gonna stick that in the Ziploc bag with the Oreos, and you want to just shake that around like your mama gave you something. Get it all incorporated, nice and texturized, and the texture you're looking for is a little pasty, because it's not it won't end, or it won't stay that way for long. You're gonna take a box of strawberry jello, like 3 ounces in that little bag. You're gonna put that in there with it, and you're gonna mix it all around. That's where you're gonna get that little strawberry crunch. You know those popsicles that you get from or the ice cream pops from the store, like the strawberry crunch? It tastes just like that, I swear. So fucking good. You can literally just eat that. For all my little stonies out there, you know who you are. But yeah, you know, get it all fucking mixed around in there, smack it around a little bit like an unwanted stepchild in the attic. You know, get the fuck back in there. Yeah, enough of that. Yeah, you're gonna need a baking sheet. Put it on there, spread it all out. Dude, up there you'll see the hello dog. This is the pooch, one of the pooches. Maybe we'll bring the other one out. All right, we're gonna go with the drizzle now. This is a 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and then you're gonna want to test this. I went with 4 or 5 tablespoons of heavy cream. You want to add it slowly, like by the tablespoon, so you can, like, you know, test the texture of it as you do it. It's not bad. And then a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You're gonna put that shit in there too. And like I said, this is for the glaze, or the drizzle, that drizzle. Everybody watch fucking Trailer Park Boys, a little J-Rock in there. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, so mix all that shit around so you get that that creamy drizzle. That shit's good as hell too. Yeah, just keep on mixing it until there's no more powdered sugar in there. You know, if you need help, you get the help of Tony Montana in there. He'll get, oh shit, we're upside down. I did not realize this. Right. Yeah, you're gonna take your waffle cones and dip them in there. Oh my god. Yeah. You're gonna dip the waffle cones into the drizzle, and then you're gonna take that that crunch mixture that we made, and you're gonna coat the sides of the waffle cone and hope to dear lord that that shit stays, because as you can see, it does not want to cooperate at all. It does. It was such a pain in the ass. All right, now we're gonna start with the actual filling. So you're gonna take 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese, and you're gonna want to start beating that up Now, don't. I do this every single damn time. I fuck this up so bad. You want to bring these out so, or leave them out a little bit so they're not as hard, you know, to do this next part. You're gonna add oops. You're gonna add a container of Cool Whip. Holy shit. Yeah, I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. I am not a professional at all. So yeah, a lot of mistakes. But yeah, keep on whipping that shit up until it's nice and creamy. And then you're gonna add about half of the strawberries that you chop up. Oh my god, my face hurts a little bit from fucking laughing. Yeah, you're gonna scoop it out. A little bit at a time, you know, so try not to get that crumble to fall off of it. And yeah, you just really hope that none of that shit comes off of it. Now, I see that one on the pan over there, not really, but kinda. That's the one my wife did, and hers looks so much better. She was laughing at me while I was doing this part. She said, you don't have to fill it so much. I was like, but what if this is my cone, you know? And this is for like the ass end of this. Like, we only made a couple because I don't know, we didn't want to make that many and just have them chill in the refrigerator like that. So I had an extra pie tin. What is it, the graham cracker one? So we just took the rest of the filling that was left over and we just shoved it in there just like that, with the rest of the strawberries and the crumble. There's the dog again. What the dog doing? Oh, she she found some of the splatter. I swear I'm not still not used to doing all this shit. I'm just happy my wife will hold the camera while I make an ass out of myself on the internet for everybody's entertainment, you know? Couldn't do it without you, baby. I love you. Hope you're having a good day at work. So yeah, as you can see, we just filled the pie thing up with the rest of the ingredients. There's that crumble. Yeah, that crumble is so... You could literally just eat that alone. I mean, it probably wouldn't be good for your arteries, but that shit is... It is good, I promise. And the whole thing, like, is good. One of the boys didn't like it very much, but he doesn't like some of the stuff I make anyway. Talking to you, Edwin, fucker. But yeah, the older one and the wife, they love like 99% of the shit that I find on the internet and decide to go all mad scientist and shit in the kitchen. But yeah, I mean, they look like ice cream cones, you know. But yeah, and you're gonna take the rest of that drizzle. Now, at this time, the drizzle was supposed to like actually drizzle, and this is my attempt of making it look somewhat decent. And then I didn't give a shit anymore. I had it up to here. I know you can't see it, but I've had it. I was done with making this shit. So yeah, I just decided to glob it on there. This is me and her talking about it. I was like, I don't give a shit. I'm fucking done. I don't want to do this no more. So yeah, it was fun. I always have fun in the kitchen with her, you know. The fun experience. Fucking around with my dumbass. Yeah, I hope everybody's been all right. I really appreciate the subs and the likes and the comments. We need to get them shares out there. If you guys can definitely just, you know, if you like what you see and you think your friend might like it, fuck it, share it, you know, ship it out to them. But yeah, this is my attempt to recreate strawberry crunch waffle cones. It's not bad. Big old globs of that drizzle on there. That shit was good. Thanks everybody again for watching, and I hope to catch you the next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you long time. I'll catch you all later. See ya.